College, Dharwad. My name is Anita. I am handling cost accounting subject for BCom 5th sem students. Last class we have solved problems based on fixation of stock level. In this class I am discussing with you another technique of material control is that EOQ or reorder quantity, ROQ. Okay, what is EOQ? Economic order quantity. Economic order quantity or reorder quantity. The quantity of material is to be ordered at a one time is known as EOQ. One time, because ನಾವು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಬರೀ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳಿ ತಪ್ತದ. ಸೊ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಎಟ್ ಅ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನೀವು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ EOQ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಪರ್ಚೇಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ EOQ ಅಂದರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಎಟ್ ಅ ರೈಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಎಟ್ ಅ ರೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ರೈಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, right quantity, then right material. Right material na right place ge right time ge ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡೋದು ಹೇಳಿ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದು EOQ. Economic order quantity is nothing but the quantity of material are purchased at a one time. ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಬರೀ ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿ ತೊಗೊಂಬರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬಲ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬೈ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಶಾರ್ಟೇಜಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ವೇಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ EOQ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ರೀಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿನೂ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, EOQ is equal to root 2 into A into O divided by C. ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಫ್ EOQ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ A? ಎನಿವಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ O ಈಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್, ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೋತಾರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. C ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್, ಹೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್, ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೀವು ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಇದು ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ಕಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಏನಾರ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೋತಾರೆ, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಆರ್ಡರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಅದರದ್ದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ EOQ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಅನದರ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ us start the problems based on EOQ. Number 1. Calculate EOQ from the following. Annual consumption 6250 units. Ordering cost rupees 0.50 per order. Storage cost is 0.10. Okay, let us solve the problem. Calculation of EOQ. EOQ is equal to 2 into average consumption into ordering cost divided by carrying cost. 4 root 2 into average annual consumption is 6250 into ordering cost is 0.50 divided by carrying cost is 0.10. Okay, 2 into 6250 into 0.50 divided by 0.10. 62,500 units. 62,500 units. Root 62,500 ಯಾವ ರೂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 250 units. 250 into 250, 62,500. We have to find out the square root of given number. Na ya number bartadalla aa number inda we have to find out the square root. 62,500 the square root 250. 250 into 250 62,500. For example 25 bandre 5, 49 bandre 7, 81 bandre 9, 100 bandre 10. Okay, next one is 2. Calculate EOQ from the following. Annual consumption 600 units, carrying cost 20%, order cost rupees 12, price per unit is 20. First we have to calculate carrying cost. Cost ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ first we have to calculate. Then by using formula to find out EOQ. Okay, let us start the problem. First one is calculation of carrying cost. Okay, 20% of price. 20% of price. 20 divided by 100 into 20. 20 divided by 100 into 20. 0, 0, 0, 0 get cancelled. How much? 4 rupees is our carrying cost. Next, substitute these values in the formula. Second one is calculation of EOQ. Economic Q. Okay. EOQ is equal to square root of 2 into A into O divided by C. 2 into A into O divided by C. 2 into annual consumption is 600. Ordering cost 12 divided by C is 4. Carrying cost is 4. 6 2s are 12. 1200 divided by 12. Okay. 1200 into 12 divided by 4. 12 into 12. 1200 into 12 divided 1200 into 12 divided by 4. 3600. Okay. 3600 square root is 60. 60 units. EOQ is 60. The next one is problem number 3. Calculate ROQ. Reorder quantity. Annual consumption is 20,000 units. Ordering cost is rupees 10. Carrying cost is 10% of cost price. Cost price is rupees 10. Okay, first we have to calculate carrying cost. Working on number 1. Calculation of carrying cost. Calculation of carrying cost. Okay. 10% of CP. 10% of CP, cost price. 10 divided by 100 into cost price is 10. 0, 0, 0. 10% divided by into 10, 0, 0, 0, 0. Get cancelled. How much? 1. 10% of 10. Okay. 10 divided by 100 into 10, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Get cancelled. Rupees 1. Rupees 1. Substitute these values in the formula. Calculation of ROQ. Calculation of ROQ. ROQ. ROQ is equal to square root of 2 into annual consumption into ordering cost divided by carrying cost. Okay. 2 into annual consumption is 20,000 into ordering cost 10 divided by 1. 2 into annual consumption is 20 into 10 divided by 1. Okay. 40,000 into 10. 40,000 into 10, how much? 4 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Square root of 4 lakh. Square root of 4 lakh is 632.4. Okay. Square root of 4 lakh is 632.4. Okay. First one we have to calculate carrying cost, 10% of the cost price. 10 divided by 100 into 10 is 1. Okay, ROQ is equal to root 2AO divided by C. 2 into 20,000 into 10, 40,000 into 10, 4 lakh. The square root of 4 lakh is 632.4. Okay, I hope you understood the problem. Problem is calculate EOQ and total variable cost for the following. Annual demand is 5,000 units. Cost price is rupees 20. Order cost is rupees 16. Storage rate is 2% per annum. Interest rate is 12% per annum. First we have to calculate carrying cost. Working note number 1. Calculation of carrying cost. Cost is equal to storage rate plus interest rate. Interest rate. Storage rate 2% plus 12%. 14%. 14% is store carriage cost. Okay. Carrying cost is equal to 14% of cost price. 14 divided by 100 into cost price is 20. 10 get cancelled. 14 2s are 28 divided by 10 is 2.8. Carrying cost is 2.8. First we have to calculate carrying cost based on storage cost plus interest rate. Storage rate is 2%. Interest rate is 12%. 12 plus 2, 14%. 14% divided by 100 into cost price is 20. 0 get cancelled. 14 2s are 28 divided by 10 is 2.8. Okay. Second one is calculation of ROQ. Calculation of ROQ. ROQ is equal to square root of 2 into A into divided by C. 2 into annual demand is 5,000 into order cost 16 divided by carrying cost is 2.8. 2 into 5,000, 10,000 into 16, 1,60,000 divided by 2.8. 1,60,000 divided by 2.8. Square root of 41,000 of 1,60,000 divided by 2.8 divided by multi. How much we will get? 57,142.85. 57,142.85 the square root is to 239.04. 239.169.38. Technique is material control ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಓವರ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಓವರ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ. ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಓವರ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ 2 ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್, particulars, rupees, particular rupees, opening stock, opening stock, and purchases, less closing stock. It is called material control. Material control. Okay. Opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock. The remaining amount is called as material control. Okay. Next one is material consumed, not material control. Okay. Opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock. The remaining amount is called as material consumed. Second one is average stock of material. Calculation of average stock of materials. Average stock of material is equal to opening stock of material plus closing stock of material divided by 2. Opening stock plus closing stock divided by 2. Average stock of material is equal to opening stock plus closing stock divided by 2. The next one is inventory turnover ratio in days. Inventory turnover ratio in days. Inventory turnover ratio in days. Okay. Formula is number of days during the period. Number of days during the period. Number of days during the period divided by inventory turnover ratio. Number of days during the year divided by during the period divided by divided by inventory turnover ratio. Ivu moorunu namaga enagtade hedi formula we have to calculate. First one is format of material consumed. Opening stock of material plus purchase less closing stock of material, we will get material consumed. Second one is calculation of average stock of material. Opening stock plus closing stock divided by 2. Third one is inventory turnover ratio in days. Number of days अथवा number of days in a year or in a period divided by inventory turnover ratio. Let us start the problems based on material turnover ratio. Let us start the problem. Problem number 1. Calculate average stock level and material turnover ratio from the following data. Opening stock is 1,40,000, purchase is 4,10,000, closing stock is 90,000. By using these values we have to calculate material consumed. Okay, working note number 1. Calculation of material consumed. Calculation of material consumed. 2 columns particular rupees. Particulars rupees. Okay. Opening stock. Opening stock 1,40,000 and purchases 4,10,000 5,00,000 stock 90,000. Closing stock 90,000. 4,60,000 is material consumed. Material consumed is 4,60,000. First one is material. First one we have to calculate material consumed. Opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock. The remaining amount is 4,60,000 is called as material consumed. Next, second one. Calculation of average. Calculation of average stock level. Calculation of average stock level. Average stock level is equal to opening stock plus closing stock divided by 2. Okay, opening stock plus closing stock divided by 2. Opening stock is 1,40,000 plus closing stock is 90,000 divided by 2. 1,40,000 plus 90,000 divided by 2. 2,30,000 divided by 2. 2,30,000 divided by 2 is 1,50,000 is our average stock level. Our average stock level is opening stock plus closing stock divided by 2. 1,40,000 plus 90,000 divided by 2. 2,30,000 divided by 2 is 1,15,000 is average stock level. The next one is calculation of material turnover ratio. Working note number 3. Calculation of material turnover ratio. Material turnover ratio is equal to material consumed divided by average stock level. Average stock level. Okay, or 1 divided by 2. Working note number 1 divided by 2, we will get working note number 3. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಆದರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಿಮೈಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Okay, material consumed how much? 4,60,000 divided by 1,15,000. 0, 3 0 get cancelled. 4,60,000 divided by 1,15,000 is 4 times. Is our material turnover ratio. Working note number 1 divided by 2, we will get working note number 3. First we have to calculate material consumed, opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock. Then we have to find out average stock level, opening plus closing divided by 2. Next we have to calculate material turnover ratio, material consumed divided by average stock level. Working note number 1 divided by 2, how much? 4 times is our material turnover ratio. 2. Calculate average stock level, material turnover ratio. Opening stock 25,000, purchase 1,90,000, closing stock is 15,000. Okay, working note number 1, calculation of material control. Calculation of material control. Working note number 1, calculation of material consumed. Material consumed. Okay, 2 columns, particular rupees. Particulars rupees. Opening stock. Opening stock. How much? 2,25,000. 25,000 plus purchase 1,90,000. 1,90,000 total is 2,15,000. 2,15,000 minus closing stock minus closing stock. How much? Closing stock is 15,000. 2 lakh is our material consumed. 2 lakh is material consumed. Okay, 2 lakh is our material consumed. One is calculation of average stock level. Opening stock plus closing stock divided by 2. Opening stock is 25,000 plus closing stock 15,000 divided by 2. 40,000 divided by 2. 20,000 units. Second one is calculation of average stock level. Opening stock plus closing stock divided by 2. 25,000 plus 15,000 divided by 2. Okay. Next one is calculation of material turnover ratio. Calculation of material turnover ratio. Material turnover ratio is equal to material consumed divided by average stock level. Material consumed divided by average stock level. Material consumed 2 lakh divided by 20,000. 30, 30, 10, 10, 2 ones are 2 tens are 10 times. Okay. Material turnover ratio is equal to material consumed divided by average stock level. 2 lakh divided by 20,000 10 times. Okay. I hope you understood how to calculate material consumed, average stock level and material turnover ratio. Thank you.